Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Burglin Gnomes game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashes at startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue, freezing problem or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart stream or restart your PC. So simply click on this word stream and then click on exit. This will exit the stream and then relaunch the stream and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11 and -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Burglin Gnomes game. This is just an example. You have to right click on Burglin Gnomes game and then select properties. Then go to the launch options and in the launch options type -dx11 first. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -dx12. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the Burglin Gnomes game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 3 is to increase the virtual memory. So in Windows search type view advanced systems settings and then open it. Now under advanced tab and under performance click on settings, then go to the advanced tab and then click on change. Then untick this automatically manage paging file size for all drives, just uncheck it and then select the drive in which you have installed the game. So if you have installed the game on C drive, then select C drive and then select custom size option. Now in the initial size in the MB and in maximum size in MB, you have to enter the value over here. So you have to enter the 1.5 times of total RAM in initial size and 3 times of total RAM in maximum size. So to check the total RAM, go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, click on about, and here you can see the installed RAM. My PC RAM is 16 GB. So you can check what is your installed RAM. Now open the calculator app. Now if your PC has 16 GB, so my PC has 16 GB, so 16 into 1024, we have to first convert the GB into MB and then multiply by 1.5. So multiply by 1.5. So the initial size will be 24576 and maximum size would be, so 16 GB into 1024 MB into 3 times. So the maximum size will be 49152 and then click on set. Don't forget to click on set. Now if you find any kind of issue, you can always revert it back. So click on set. Don't forget to click on set and then click on OK. Then OK. Then OK. And then you can restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the Burglin Gnomes game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then again go to view advanced system settings, open it, go to the advanced, go to settings, again go to advanced tab, click on change, select system managed size and then click on set. Don't forget to click on set, then click on OK. You will get this type of pop-up. It will say you to restart your computer. So click on OK, again click on OK, OK, and then you will see restart now. So just restart your PC. And again after restarting your PC, go ahead, launch the Burglin Gnomes game and check if a problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then again go to view advanced system settings. We will revert the changes. Go to settings, go to advanced, go to change and then select this option, automatically manage paging file size for all drives and then click on OK, OK, OK. That's it. Fix 4 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Burglin Gnomes folder and then look for a Genomium exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it to the list, go back, then click on firewall and network protection click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps, common, open the Burglin Gnomes game folder, select Gnomium exe file and select it, and then click on open, and then click on add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the Burglin Gnomes game. This is just an example, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 5 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder. So go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps, common. Open the Burglin Gnomes game folder. Now first double click the Gnomium exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on Gnomium exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator. Then hit on apply, OK. And then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the Gnomium exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes from the compatibility tab. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes. Then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to update your graphic card driver. So NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app, and AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA user in Windows search for NVIDIA app and then open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers tab. And here you will see check for updates icon, click on it. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Burglin Gnomes game. This is just an example I am showing with another guy. But you have to right click on Burglin Gnomes game and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see install option, then click on, then tick mark I agree the license terms and condition and then click on install. Click on yes to confirm. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see install option, then click on I agree to license terms and condition and then click on install. And if you see repair option, then click on repair. So either install it or repair it. Click yes to allow. So you have to either install it or repair it, both the exe file. And after repairing and installing them, then you can restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps, common. Open the Burglin Gnomes folder and then select Gnomium exe file and then select it and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it in the list and then expand it. And next to GPU preference, click on this drop down and select high performance. And after selecting the high performance, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to turn off on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, again type graphics settings and open the graphics settings. Now expand the advanced graphics settings and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn it off and then you will need to restart your PC for this change to take effect. So just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is already turned off, then turn it on, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Burglin's Gnomes game and then click on properties. This is just an example I am showing with another game. And here you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then simply disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the taskbar Afterburner, River Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to delete the Burglin Gnomes saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and save settings and you have to start everything from the scratch. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the Burglin Gnomes saved game folder. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, then open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder. Then open the local loop folder and under the local loop folder you will see Gnome Studios folder. Just open the Gnome Studios folder, then right click on Burglin Gnomes folder and then first copy it and then go to desktop and paste the folder to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on Burglin Gnomes folder and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC after installing the updates. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall a Burglin Gnomes game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Burglin Gnomes game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at a startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video.